There are certain foods that have been linked to an increased risk of cancer. By avoiding or minimizing the consumption of these foods, you can significantly reduce your chances of developing this deadly disease. Let's explore these cancer-causing foods and understand why you should eliminate them from your diet. Processed meats like sausages, hot dogs, and bacon contain various chemicals such as nitrates and nitrites, which have been associated with an increased risk of colorectal cancer. These meats go through processes like smoking, curing, and salting, which can lead to the formation of harmful compounds. High consumption of sugary drinks has been linked to various types of cancer, including breast, colorectal, and pancreatic cancer. These beverages are packed with added sugars and offer little to no nutritional value, promoting weight gain and increasing cancer risk. Canned foods may seem convenient, but they often contain a chemical called bisphenol A, BPA. BPA is a known endocrine disruptor and has been linked to an increased risk of breast and prostate cancers. Opt for fresh or frozen alternatives instead. Refined grains, such as white bread, white rice, and pasta made from refined flour, have gone through processes that remove the bran and germ, stripping away beneficial nutrients and fiber. These foods have a high glycemic index and can lead to weight gain, diabetes, and an increased risk of certain cancers. While marketed as a healthier alternative to sugar, studies have shown that artificial sweeteners may actually increase the risk of cancer. Aspartame, saccharin, and sucralose are among the commonly used artificial sweeteners, and their long-term effects on human health are still uncertain. Trans fats are found in many processed and fried foods, including fast food, packaged snacks, and baked goods. These fats increase inflammation in the body, raising the risk of cancer and other chronic diseases. Always check food labels and opt for healthier fats like olive oil or avocado. When meats are cooked at high temperatures, such as grilling or barbecuing, they can form chemicals called heterocyclic amines, HCAs, and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, PAHs. These compounds have been linked to an increased risk of colorectal, pancreatic, and prostate cancers. Excessive alcohol consumption has been associated with an increased risk of various cancers, including liver, breast, mouth, throat, and colorectal cancer. It is important to moderate your alcohol intake and be aware of the potential risks. Hydrogenated oils, often used in processed snacks and margarine, contain high levels of unhealthy trans fats. These fats raise cholesterol levels, increase inflammation, and contribute to the development of cancer and heart disease. Opt for healthier oils like olive oil or coconut oil. While the long-term effects of GMOs on human health are still debated, it is important to exercise caution. Some studies suggest a potential link between GMOs and cancer development. Select organic and non-GMO foods whenever possible to reduce exposure. Thank you for watching our video on 10 cancer-causing foods that you should avoid. Remember, by making healthier food choices, you can significantly reduce your risk of developing cancer. Share this information with your loved ones to help them prioritize their health too. Stay tuned for more health tips and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay healthy, stay happy.